Distribution of natural vegetation. So, when we say natural vegetation, we mean the plants and the greenery. The growth of vegetation depends primarily on temperature and moisture because, in order to have a green plant, we need good temperature and good rainfall and moisture. So, the major vegetation types of the world are forests, grasslands, scrubs, and tundra. Tundra is nothing but the cold region. So, remember this. When we say natural vegetation, so only forests, grasslands, scrubs, and tundra includes in that category. Another thing is that wherever you see forest, there you will have a lot of water supply, and the trees are also very huge. So tropical region is the place where you will find a lot of huge trees. That's why tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest were very famous. So tropical region is the center of the earth. Now from these places we go up, that is towards the temperate zone or a north pole, the size of the trees decreases because there is no moisture. If you notice the winter season, because of no moisture, we will be in need of using a moisturizing creams. So if you can remember that, it's very easy to understand. Okay, next we move on to the conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay. Believe it or not, forests is a wealth. They maintain the ecosystem. Changes of climate and human interference can cause the loss of natural habitats. And because of deforestation, soil erosion, constructional activities, forest fires, tsunami, and landslides, we are losing the balance of the ecosystem. And that is in return accelerating the process of extinction of these great natural resources. And then hunting is another activity that is affecting animals like tiger, lion, elephant, deer, black buck, crocodile, rhinoceros, snow leopard, ostrich, and peacock. But the only way to conserve them is increasing the awareness. Then the natural parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves are all made to protect our natural vegetation and wildlife. And to protect water, we have conservation of creeks, lakes, and wetlands. Human activities in several parts of the world have disturbed the natural habitats of many species. So most of the problems around us is done by us only. So there are many awareness programs in social forestry and Vanamaholtsev that are done in the schools and community level to encourage the awareness. And many countries have also passed the laws declaring that the trades and killing of animals and birds are illegal. In India, killing of lion, tiger, deer, great Indian bustard, and peacock have been banned. Remember this. This is all about conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay.